Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to enable voice tapping, keyboard voice tapping in Oppo mobile and how to use after enable. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, what is keyboard voice tapping, how to enable, how to use? Friends, first of all open your phone setting. After on phone settings, you can see this type of interface. So I scroll it. So friends, you can see in your Oppo phone, get this your Oppo phone additional setting is here. So guys, click on additional setting. After additional setting, friends, third option you can see your keyboard setting. Second, date and time. First is language. So just click on your keyboard and input method and just tap here. Friends, you can use your Google voice tapping is also here. You want to enable and you want to disable Google voice tapping. Friends, you can use your voice tapping language. Friends, click on Gboard setting and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see Gboard glide tapping, stack correction, theme setting. Voice tapping is here. We will tap here and guys we will enable from here. After enable guys, how to use guys voice tapping. So guys, now guys we will show guys our keyboard. So guys, on your search bar, then voice tapping is here and guys you can voice and guys you can direct on any setting. Hello, like that guys, we can use voice tapping in Oppo phone device. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable and use voice tapping, keyboard voice tapping in Oppo phone device guys. So I hope friends you understood how to enable, and friends you want to disable. So guys click on your search bar, setting, voice tapping is here. When we will disable, after disable guys you cannot voice. Friends you can see voice option will remove on your keyboard. So as you want to use, so as setting option, voice tapping, enable. We can use voice tapping in Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video.